Build nesting boxes for chickens. Building chicken nests can increase the egg production in a backyard setting. These chicken nests are easy to make and only take a little material and equipment. A tape measure, a drill, and a saw are all the equipment that will be needed. Step 1 is to gather the building material needed. These materials are A. 3, 1x12, 11 1/8, pine boards 47 long. B. 2, 1/2 plywood 11 1/8 x 30 long. C. 4, 1x2 pine boards 21 long. D. 2, 1x4 pine boards 48 long. E. 2, 1x2 pine boards 48 long. F. 4, 1/4 plywood 11 1/8 x 14 1/8. Nest divider. G. 4, angle brackets 4H, 28, wood screws number 8x2I, 16, wood screws number 6x1 1/4 30 long. 1/12 lumber can be used in place of 1/2 plywood. But, if lumber is used, the nest boxes will be heavier and more expensive than plywood. Pegboard can also be used for nest dividers instead of 1/4 plywood. Step 2 is to pre-cut all the pieces of lumber except nest box dividers. These will be cut later as they will need to be measured. Step 3 requires 2 Bs, 2 As and several Hs. Using H, the number 8 wood screws, form a box by connecting each B to one A to form the top, then connect the Bs to the other A to form the bottom. The box is now created. Step 4 requires inserting the remaining A into the box. Locate the middle of the box. Down the side on each B, connect this board to the box using more number 8 wood screws, H. Step 5 Now the nest dividers can be inserted. For this step, grab the 421 1x2s, C, and the number 6, I, wood screws. On the front of the box measure the middle 1x12, B, 12 from each side and mark on the underside of board, B. Connect 2 of the 1x2s, C, along these marks, making them flush with the back of the shelf and protruding out the front. Repeat this on the bottom board, A. Next the front lip, D, is screwed on both shelves on the front of the box using number 8 wood screws. Place the 4 1x2 boards, E, to the 4 protruding boards, C, and screw with number 6 wood screws from the bottom. Step 6 Attach 2 angle brackets, G, to the box. 2 brackets are to be placed on the top and 2 on the bottom. These are used to attach the nest box structure to the wall. Step 7. Measure the middle shelf and find the measurement to add 2 dividers, F. Repeat on the bottom shelf. Step 8. Attach finished nest box to wall in chicken coop using angle brackets. Add pine shavings, hay or other bedding to the nests.